Well, Nigel, one look at the table suggests there's not much that separates these two sides in the league. However, of course, the FA Cup brings with it its own magic, different opportunity, a chance to see some different faces perhaps. How much are you looking forward to this one?
Well, it was a great draw when it came out against two of the best teams in the league, and I think the league form really goes out the window in the FA Cup first round, and we're all fighting to try and get to that third round where you might draw one of the big boys, but this I think will be as big a hurdle as any for us to get over tonight.
Can I ask you about the conditions? I mean, it's obviously been very wet, and there were a few concerned faces around here about 4:30 this afternoon when some of the officials went out to have a look at the pitch. What do you make of that?
Well, we've done everything we can. We covered the pitch, but there's been an incredible amount of rain the last few days in the area, so credit to the groundsmen and everybody that we've got the game on. I don't think it's due to rain anymore now, which is great, and it should be a great night for football.
Can I ask, where does the FA Cup rank on your list of priorities this season?
Well, now we got knocked out the League Cup the other night. It's the second to the league. The league still remains certainly our priority to try and get promoted, but I think you can do it alongside a good FA Cup run as well at this stage.
And what can we expect from this Mansfield side this evening?
Well, same as we've been trying to play for the last 20 odd games. Try and get the ball down and play, be positive as much as we can, especially here at the one call. But we had a cracking game against Wrexham a few weeks ago, finished 0-0. It was one of the best 0-0s. It was exciting, so I hope it's a good game again tonight for you.
No 0-0 this evening, there'll be goals. Nigel, diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much.
Thank you.